see, in you I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity. I realized I was the one that you were calling by name. I was down in the dumps, but you loved me the same. Wasn't married, it was all by your grace. Called out, I thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, I give thanks to Yahweh.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, Your word is my illumination, guiding me through life, showing me the revelation of your kind of life. A life of peace and joy I find in you. Blind seeing again, lame walking again. Holy Spirit within, I'm walking in your will. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, No one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. The bond that we share cannot be severed. Never. You made that clear when you sent Yeshua. Oh, the depth of your love cannot be measured. The price you paid, Lord, no one can measure. Whoa, your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, no one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. Me and you forever in every weather. My God, you're all that matters. So I will keep you centered. Oh, you are the song I sing. You are the fire in me. You and I, one body. Your life flows in me. Your life and nature, I got it. I got paid, love, I got it. No more striving, no worries. On the cross, Lord, you bore it for me. Set me free from all the burden. No more weight, now I'm sailing. In you, Lord, I'm winning. Whoa, no one and nothing can separate me from your love. No one and nothing. From below or from above, no condemnation. You and I have become one. No one and nothing. No one and nothing. everything that you've done, thing that you've done. My God, you are so good. For everything that you've done, where would I be if it wasn't for thee? For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. For the things that you do, Father, I thank you. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all.
Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all.
Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all.
Everything that you are, thing that you are. Father, I love you for everything that you are.
All of my days I will worship and praise, King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Glory fills,
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place.
oh yeah.
Your glory fills, your
Glory fill,
King of the world. Your glory fills this place. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause
Yo, chat, what up, chat? How you guys doing? Happy Friday, gang. It's a brand new day. How you guys doing? Drop some energies in the chat if you can. Let's go.
everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Everything you've done for me, can't tell it all. Full of grace and love for me, you gave it all. Everything I'll ever need, I have and more. I have and more, 'cause you gave it all. Let's go again, yeah.
let's go one time, one time.
Oh yeah. Lord, oh how you saved my soul and called my heart your home. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. Thinking about you always, all night, every day, always. Thinking about you so clear. Every day you did my brain. What did I do to earn this love? I don't know. Love me way before I could love myself. I'm ever grateful. Ever
Welcome to
grateful
Bookmap.
to you. showered from above.
I cannot turn away. No, 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 no. Every time I thought I'd give up, you've always showed up right on time. I'll never doubt you, never. I'll trust in you forever. Because you live, I can face tomorrow. Whoa, whoa.
I could need, and you are here with me. Oh, keep my gaze on you. I know you see me through, but I put my trust in you. Yeah, Jesus, my ever present, my ever present. Peace to the rest and shelter. My ever present, from the north to the south and shelter. My ever present.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody, Most definitely got to pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15
Yo,
cents?
cha, yo,
With a
yo,
dollar
yo.
and a dream.
What's up,
Wasn't always what
everybody?
it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see.
Yeah. Let's go, let's go. God first, Lord first. Let's go, everybody. Let's go, gang. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, gang. Happy Friday. So, man. Wow, the monthly flip now. Wow. Monthly flip. Interesting.
And I always strive to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid.
Monthly flip.
When I was making this album, man, I went through 3 different titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nick when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did
What
my
is up,
research
Reese? How you
on what
doing?
Faith of a Mustard Seed meant, it says
What's
that
up, hey viewers?
faith of a
How you guys
mustard seed, God
doing?
will allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way.
I know every if you're in the UAE, I know somebody is day off today, right? Holiday today in UAE, so yeah.
That's a real thing. You know, I moved from the jungles to West LA, and I met this lady named Carol. Her son was a drummer at the church. And I remember one day, I seen her go to church. She's like, "You want to go to church with me?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And I went. You know, I really went because I really wanted to be the drummer, but Jermaine was always the drummer, so I never became the drummer or whatever. But I went, and I became a member of Believers Community.
Mm-hmm. All right. How you guys doing? 8 viewers today. We good. We do good. So I'm gonna do the top down analysis now. Give me a second here. I'm gonna record here. All right. So let's start with the monthly time frame, chat. Monthly time frame. All right, we good. So let's start with the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame is flipping bearish now, chat. Flipping bearish now, as you can see. Oh, why is not working? Hold on, give me a second. Why my tool is not working? All right, so the monthly time frame, as you can see, is flipping bearish now, right? So we still have 3 days and 14 hours for this candle to close, right? But the question is, where is this monthly time frame gonna go, right? Gonna go at least I would say if this candle flip, at least probably here you're gonna top the zone, right? After you flip on the bearish, probably here and react, right? But let's see in the monthly. But the good thing here, we flip bearish already, so we're gonna expect that flip bearish. And on the weekly time frame, so we have resistance on the weekly here, and this is the support. So basically this is the overall, you know, range on the weekly time frame, but we have minor support level here on price. And as you can see on the daily, if we're gonna drop down to the daily time frame, we see that the the weekly has pullbacks, right? And then the weekly did like this, and then right now we're heading to the downside again, right? So let's drop down to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, so as you can see, the daily, we have levels here been created, but the structure here is you have the resistance. This is the resistance, and this is the support, right? And then this is the pullback that we did on the weekly time frame. So the one candle push up, create a new support form, and as you can see, support form here, right? And then we have bearish closure on price, respect the support, didn't close below the range. Now what will happen if the candle didn't close below the range? Now we're gonna wait for this candle to open, and then right now when this current candle open, re-break the previous candle low. So you're gonna expect, once you re-break the previous candle low on price here, you're gonna expect volume, right? In terms of volume, yeah, we can expect that and heading to the downside. Right now, as you can see, we're heading to support level right here on price and the support, right? And we move already, I believe, 500 pips, 450 pips. Yeah, 421 pips already move on daily candle time frame. So if we're gonna react right now on price 3286, if we're gonna react here, probably we'll see some reactions right now, or once you push further down, we're gonna see some reactions probably here on the wicks on the left. All right, but for today I'm pretty bearish, but I wanna take sales on up here, right? Because right now in the weekly we still have 13th, and I believe weekly time frame will close bearish because we don't have any news, we don't have any catalyst on price, we don't have like big news, red folders news that will give a lot of volume to the market. But right now, you know, I'm pretty bearish for the day, I'm pretty bearish for the week. Right now I'm bearish for the month because the monthly is bearish right now. So the 15 minutes time frame, all right, close, no bottom wick. So yeah, no bottom wick, expect some pullbacks. But the good thing in the 15 minutes and 30 is we're creating some structure, right? So as you can see, if we're gonna look for this structure on price, let's block this, right? So if we're gonna look for the structure right now, as you can see, we have high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So the high low has been respected. There's no break of structure. So right now we cannot take buy. Buying in the low, it's good, but we need to see some, you know, at least structure form. Like if we see that support been formed here, and then pricing pushing towards to the upside, and then some bearish move, and then bullish close above again the range. Now we're good for some retest on the clean traffic on the left. Yeah, that's gonna be the, you know, breakup structure trade. So yeah, but for today, I would like to, you know, sell probably here if we see some close, you know, candle closure here, clean traffic here, and then boom. Because right now we need to follow the trend, right? It's Friday too, and the market condition in this week is a little bit, you know, tough for me. I don't take any trades this week yet. 24. So my last trade was 23 and 24, and then yeah, 3 trades today this week. Yeah, I start on Monday. Yeah, 4 trades. 4 trades. Yeah, 4 trades. 56 pips. So yeah. But yeah, let's see. What's up, MC? How you doing? So let's see, where's the support? We're tapping, we're heading to the support. So yeah, we're range here on price, but I need to see closure on 15. Yeah, you have levels here, levels. So but let's see. Mm. Yeah, close above here, it's good. I need to see support form, chat, because the support is probably, I would say, where's that support? It's too far, huh? And this is the support, right? Support here, support here. So yeah, I need to see support on this structure right now. 11 minutes. Let's see. Right now we're gonna wait. Right now we're gonna wait. Yeah, the market's going down. Yeah, the market's going down. So what you gonna do? What we gonna do if the market's going down? If the market's going down, we need to wait for the probabilities. Still, right? So yeah. Monthly bearish, weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish, 1-hour bearish, 30 minutes bearish. So we're bearish. We need to wait for the probabilities. Shout out to 15 viewers. If you guys can drop some likes, subs to the channel. Who got some sales here, chat, in the morning? Who took some sales here? Asian session melts. Really good. Right, clean traffic here, close below. Man, this one. Right? Advantage is this. 90, 100, almost 100 pip coming down. What's up, 630? Yeah, you got the trades, you got some sales. What you got? So probably, yeah, support gonna be formed now. Support gonna be formed. So I'm gonna put levels. Cells below is good too. Cells below here. Wow, W. 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 So how many pips you're up this week, chat? Like percentage wise in your, in your account. Type in the chat. Five minutes for closure. 5 minutes. Mm-mm-mm. Oop, oop, boom, boom. So if we retest, if you're gonna go up, if this candle close like this, then the next candle close, probably gonna give it a shot to take buy up, and then happen like this on price. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Waiting game, chat. Waiting game. Waiting. Waiting gaming. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat, okay? Re-break of the low, man, again. Right. On major, but I probably should start doing that so I can track progress better. Yeah, for me, every pip you take profit on the pip wise, you record it and put how much percentage you did. So what's this thing? What is this? Mm-hmm. Ayaw. Bahala ka dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Ayaw mong maayos. Oh, open up. 15 minutes candle open here. But the 15 close below the range. Okay. Wow. Volume. We have volume, chat. Let's see. But I'm not gonna take sell right now. No, I need to see structure first. Probably up here. Like this. Up. If this 30 close bullish, man, we have 84 pip advantage or 70, whatever, 80. Yeah. The market is market. Mhm. Mhm. Boom. Boom. No buenos. No buenos yet. Four minutes and 30 seconds, chat. Um, I don't know if we're gonna get some, trades today, but let's see. 30 close doji bullish. Chat, make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel, all right? Like the stream, man. Subs to the channel. Support the channel. Yeah, there is a high chance that you're gonna feel the wick here on the left. This one, this wick. You're gonna feel this. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 170 peep. Right now, it's really risky to sell here because the resistance is up here. Right? This is the resistance on the 30. Mm. 30 minutes bearish closure again. No good. No good, man. Next week, probably see this. Retesting some lows. What's your bias? My bias is sell, but I need to see. I don't want to sell right now. I need to see this. And then go up and then sell. Here we're gonna sell here. Here we cannot take sell. Alright, 30 close below the range again. But no buenos for me. And as you can see, the candles, the body is getting smaller. So yeah, right now, no buys, no sell. It's all waiting. All waiting. Waiting is the name of the game here. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Doo-doo-doo. While wait for the setup. Yeah, bro. Drop it, drop it. Drop it. What are your steps and try before buying or selling to the market? Um so for me technically it's support and resistance on how the candles are forming, right? So enable for me to take buy here, I need to see support. So I need to see closure of the candle like this, right? With the good body candle, top wick and bottom wick, and then the next open of the candle, I'm gonna wait for the bottom wick and then enter on the flip of the candle or re-break of the high there for entry. So it's gonna look like this. Probably enter here or here. So this is the tradable candle that I'm gonna wait. Right? That's the first idea. But the second idea here is once I see a resistance form, now I'm good for selling down because I know the fact that we are in the bearish trend for the day and for the week and for the month right now, right? So I'm gonna expect that the next open of the candle is gonna be bearish, going down towards to the downside, retest the low. So that's that's the setups and probabilities that I need to wait for taking trades to the market. So yeah, does it make sense? Can you also give some pointers to review, please? Yeah, this is the pointers already. You just need to wait for the candle's closure. Wait for support form or resistance form to take the trades. For me, I'm just playing with the range and see how the candles are closing. Because if some candles are closing, for example, small body, like for example, this candle closed like this with a small body and a big wick, I'm not gonna enter a trade, even though we form support now. I need to wait for one more candle to close with a good body and top wick and bottom wick to take the trades on the next candle. That's the probability. Because if the candle close with small body, it's indicate you that there is no buyers yet into the market. The seller is still there, right? The body is small. So you need to understand why the body is big. If the body is big, there is a lot of volume on those candle. There is some potential that they're buying right now. So yeah, those probabilities are good to take the trades. Does it make sense? Mm, mm, mm. Right, re-break the high, but we have resistance on the 15. So I cannot take buys yet on this next open of the candle. Probably a breakout here. Close above. So we're gonna probably wait for the 1 hour close and 4 hour close. That's gonna be interesting. Open of the 4 hour candle will give us volume. 1 hour open, 30 minutes open, 15 minutes open. Yeah. Probably gonna see some reactions here. No buenos. Mm-mm. Waiting game. 7 minutes, chat. 7 minutes. Yeah, there is some chance that we're gonna see probably like this. Three minutes, gang. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes. We need closure. Belowsure. I'm hungry, man. So 30 minutes close bullish. If we're gonna use the 30, it's gonna okay. 1 hour bullish. Yeah, there is probably gonna retest the high on the here. The next 1 hour in the 4 gonna grab top wick. And the 4 gonna grab top wick before driving down, right? Like this. So let's see. 7 seconds. Close respecting. Let's see on the 30. Yeah, close at least. I need to see bottom wick. Bottom wick. Need to see bottom wick chat on the 30 before taking buys. That's not good, bottom wick. I need to see bottom wick more. All right, so I'm gonna put buy limit once you re-break the high. Okay, so buy limit once you re-break the high there, chat. And let's see, we're gonna be activated. I'm hungry, man. Coach, what does the bottom wick signify? So basically bottom wick, so all of the candle, 80% of the candles closure with close with bottom wick and top wick, right? And as you can see this, close with top wick and bottom wick. So for me, that's really important because I need to see that first, the bottom wick, before entering a buys up like this. Because once you see bottom wick been created, basically the candles, this candle has no business to go back down once again. That's why I need to see bottom wick. Right? We cannot enter buys here. Right? I don't want to do that because right now, as you can see, we push up, right? And then now we go down. Then once you re-break the high, that's probably gonna see some moves. So yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Exit lag powered by AI. The world's first game optimization platform supercharged by artificial intelligence.
So I want to take buy because support has been formed, right? As you can see, we have bullish candle, big body, big candle. So yeah, re-break of the previous candle low again. Eh, if this candle break the high, yeah, we're gonna probably gonna put the stops on the current candle low. It's gonna look like this probably on the low of the candle. Because once you go back up, this candle has no business to go back down once again. Once you re-break the high, if we have volume, but if we don't have, yeah, if we consolidate here, yeah, that's different story. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna be activated. Could you please elaborate more about the candle wicks and buying decision correlations? So, we are in the bearish trend right now, as you can see, right? And I took, I'm planning to buy once you re-break the high because now we got a bottom wick. Now, once you re-break the high once again, this candle has no business to go back down. If there's candle, this candle go back down, yeah, we're probably gonna hit the stops and go down probably today like this. Because right now, this trade is against the trend, right? But we see that volume, we see that candle closing heavy bullish with good body, support has been formed there. So yeah. And I would say if you're watching me every single day, you're gonna learn how to read candles. You're gonna learn how to read directions, how to trade with the ranges. Right now, if I answer your questions, we probably you're not gonna take it today. It will take time, probably 1 month. It will take 1 month for you to understand the ranges, how the candle's forming. So for me, I suggest you show up every single day in the live stream so that you can learn. <clears throat> 4 minutes for this candle close. I'm still gonna stay the buy limit here because this trade based on the 30. So let's see. Let's see. Chat, make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. Like the stream and subs to the channel. Let's go. We're probably gonna see that if we will re-break, retest at least 3295 and then decides where the price gonna head. Can we activate it there? Can we re-break the high? Can we activate? Ten pips away. All right. Can we activate it here? How many pips away? 6 pips away. One more top. Oop. One more top. Didn't activate chat. One more top there. Almost. Almost, man. Almost. Almost top. Almost. Didn't activate. Almost activated their chat. Almost. Almost activated there. Almost, man. Didn't push through. Holy, we pushed down already. Oh, the good thing here is having a good spread on price. 15 close, no bottom wick. Man, that's it. You're gonna range now. Coach, is there any chance that you can make short videos for us newbies to learn more and faster in simple terms, please? So we can watch it repeatedly in your YouTube channel. Yeah, sure, I can. You can check. But I have too many reels in the YouTube channel and in Instagram. So you can follow me on Instagram for YouTube more trading content. So you guys can understand how to enter a trades or yeah. Man, what happened here? 15 close bearish. What is the IG code? So the IG is link is in the description. Link is in description. So I'm gonna send it here. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cancel the buy limit. Not good. No good. No good. We move down again. Dun, dun, dun. No problem, man. Crazy, man. Um, you play Dota 2? No. I play Valorant. You wanna play Valorant? $9 man. 9 minutes here. Crazy. Holy. I did not expect this. Steeper bottom wick. Not look good. Not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for you, man. I'm waiting for you. Mhm, mhm. Could you please tell us what information required to look for sell in case price breaks support? So you're gonna wait for candle close below. That's it. You need to wait for candle close below the range and then take a sell on the next candle. Like this. So technically this is the tradable candle that you're gonna wait. Alright. But no closure below, no sells. Right? Closure above, buys. Closure below is sells. Here, no sells, no buys. Okay, so this is no tradable zone. Mm-mm. Probably impulse entry buys here on the 30 again. On the re-break of the high. Let's see in 3 minutes. chat. 30 minutes close bearish. So we probably gonna stay in the range here. So I'm gonna call it the stream now. No Benos for us. So tough price action week. So yeah, I'm gonna come back next week, Monday. Right now, no Benos. No Benos for me. So yeah, chat. Thank you guys for tuning to the live stream. Gonna see you guys on Monday, right? Probably Monday NY session. Register futures. No. So yeah, chat. See you guys on Monday. No trades for us today. See you guys on Monday. Peace, peace, peace. I'm out here, chat.
That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist when I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, least for the principal. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE.